Yeah, listen, I'm not embarrassed. This is the story of a parent who was red and green, the prettiest thing you ever seen. She didn't have a name, no wild animal does. She's in the jungle, see the tree, she's flying above. Yeah, her life was carefree, not a worry at all. Cause no animals hunt parrots, the birdie was tall. She would fly to a Guazoo by the waterfalls. Listen to the humans, yeah, she liked how they talk. Sitting in a tree, she'd repeat what she heard. Until one day, this evil trapper named Bird heard her words. He's thinking, I'ma trap this bird, this beautiful, charming, attractive bird. He tried to coax the bird, hey birdie, come here. He tried to make the bird do what he wanted to hear. But it was the evilest hire, pulled out a piece of papaya. The parrot wanted the fruit, it was what she desired. She didn't see the net until it was too late. The bird said, I'm gonna take you to the United States. I'm gonna sell you to a lawyer named Mitch. Little parrot, ha ha, you're gonna make me rich.
We're gonna make it if we all just try. We're gonna make it, baby, we can fly. We're gonna fly, man. We're gonna fly, man. If we all just try. We're gonna make it, baby, we can fly.
A parrot in a cage on a boat on the river. He whistled a tune while he cooked his dinner. The parrot, she wasn't feeling too great. Held in captivity, now she couldn't escape. She tried to talk to Bird with the words she learned. She said, but Bird's back was turned, and even if he heard, I mean, the dude was mean. Now she begged and pleaded to be free.
Please release me.
But Bird wouldn't set her free. She was shaking, thinking this is trouble for me. Now she was getting frantic, desperate, upset, gonna throw a tantrum any moment. Trapped in a cage on a boat that's floating. Needed someone just to hug her, hold hands, hold beaks, hold feet. Feel the breeze that she flies away. She's more sad than little Bo People can. But wait, the story's not tragic, the ending's not sad. Because the parrot started chewing on the lock, man. And the heat was so strong just from cracking some nuts. And the lock was kinda old and it started to rust. Just when she was almost done hoping, she cracked open the lock and pushed the door open. Bird turned around, saw what was going down. He grabbed his neck.
Hey, Birdie, I'ma get you